Oh, snap. We got ourselves a curveball here, a radical curveball. No pun intended. Yes, intended. All right. So now we got variables here, variables in the mix. Well, what the heck are we going to do with that? Well, first off, let's deal with the 20 there, right? The numbers are going to work the same. The numbers are going to work the same. I can divide by 2 and I get 10. I can divide by 2 and I get 5. Do I have any pairs? Heck yeah, I do. Pair of 2s. What's up? 2 is going to come out of the radical. All right? I'm going to jot that down right here. A 5, that 5 is going to stay in the radical. Okay, we'll deal with that in a sec. All right, how about my x to the 6th? Well, x to the 6th, I'm going to look for pairs of x's. I've got 6 of them, right? Because that's x times x times x times x times x times x, 6 x's, right? So how many pairs do I have? I've got a pair here, a pair here, a pair here. I got 3 pairs of x's, so I get x to the 3rd that comes out of the radical. Are there any leftovers? No. So it's just x to the 3rd. And when I say leftovers, we're going to see that with the y's here in one sec. Oh boy. 11 y's, right? Y to the 11th is y times y times y 11 times. Okay. So how many pairs do I have? I got a pair here. I got a pair here. 3, 4, and 5 pairs of y's. I like it. So we got y to the 5th. But what happens to that little y that's just chilling on the end? Just like that 5, we're going to pop it back in the radical. So I have 5y in my radical. That is my final answer. Now, you might be thinking like, yo, Mr. Allen, that seems like a lot of work. Writing out all those x's and all those y's every time and looking for pairs. Is there a quicker way? Heck yeah, there is. Heck yeah, there is. All right. So if I have x to the 6th, how many pairs can I get? I can think of that as 6 divided by 2 is 3. That's 3 pairs, right? Now, if I have y to the 11th, that's an odd number. But perhaps if I drop down to the closest even number in this situation, how many groups of 2 or how many pairs can I get? I can get 5 pairs. It's 10 of them total, right? 5 pairs is 10 total y's, with 1 left over, that y in there. So we can think about dividing by 2 and getting a remainder, okay? Lovely. All right, let's try another. Next one. 18. We're going to divide that by 2 and 9. Then we got 3 and 3. Got a pair of 3s? 2's going to be chilling inside. All right, I like it. Pop a 3 down. Now, x to the 13th. Let's think about that for a sec. 12 is my next closest even number, right? Divide that by 2, I get 6 pairs of x's. Boom. And how many do I have left over? That was 12 x's total, right? 6 pairs is 12 total x's. So I got 1 left over. There's me an x chilling on the inside. All right. So we got to remember that. Y to the 8th. Well, I can get 4 pairs of y's. So I get y to the 4th. And now what were my leftovers again? I had a 2 and I had an x. If you'd like, sometimes it can help to jot down your leftovers either off to the side, maybe like, okay, I got 2 as a leftover, I've got an x as a leftover, and you know, boom, I'm going to pop that into that radical at the very end, all right? Keeping little side notes, never a bad idea. Keep yourself organized. America. That was awesome. That was dope. See you guys.